Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add projects to the Zoho Invoice application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. Then click on the projects option, which is the fourth one in the time tracking section. After that you should click on the add new button down below, and then add or type in your project name, which is the first option. Then add a description. Then select the customer. The billing method should be selected too, then the total project cost. Then you should add the user and also the task too. Here you can type in the task description. Click on the button save and then tap on the button save in the upper right corner of the screen. So here you can find the project, and you can edit it anytime by tapping on the edit button. And you can add the time entry, you can add the task, add the user, and also if you tap on the more button you can clone it, view the attachments, create an invoice. Here how it looks like, create expense, mark it as inactive and delete it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.